Today we are going to discuss about the consumer empowerment opportunity. This is an opportunity which is common for all the people. It's common for all, like if you are a student, if you are a professional, if you are a businessman, or if you are a housewife, or if you are a normal unemployed person. To start with any project or any opportunity, first what we look for, are we looking for why or how? Generally people will say how we'll start this project. But friends, if we are trying to develop a bridge over a river, then what we decide, why we want to make that bridge. First we have to decide that we have to travel from this corner of river to other corner of river. That's why we want to make a bridge. Then further there is a question how to make that bridge. First, the initial purpose has to be defined to start any project. If we consider our why we want to start this project or opportunity, first thing comes to our mind is for extra income, to get some extra income, to build some big house for our family, that is our dream home, to bring a car of our desire, of our dream, to get job security, to get secure income. Some people think of early retirement. Some people are thinking to help people and society. Some people think of their family and children future. Some people are afraid of their business risk, that's why they want to start a new project. Or some people want good health, they will earn some good amount of money and they will maintain their good health. So because of these many reasons, or some other reason will be there, I have took some common reason to start any big project. So as per big author and philosopher Mr. J. Paul Getty, he has divided people working in this world in 4 quadrants. On left side of the quadrant, people are there as employee and self-employed. In a right side quadrant, people are there as business owner and investors. Employee and self-employed, they make income as active income. Active income means when they go for a job, for that period only he will earn that amount. But he will not get any amount or any earning when he doesn't go for a job. Same way, if person is a self-employed, means you own a job, that person own a job. That means self-employed are those people who are like doctors, who open their clinic for some duration of time and they make money. If they doesn't open the clinic, they will not get any amount of money. For investors, they have plenty of money work for them. And these special people are businessmen. They employ 10,000 or lakhs of people and they develop a system, and that system will work for them. If they doesn't come to one day or a week, they will not get any amount of they will get the amount of money regularly because they have a system working. So as per the concept of J. Paul Getty, 5% of economy lies with people in left side of the quadrant, means people are doing job, and 95% of wealth lies with right side people who do business and investment, and vice versa. The total population of 5% lies with right quadrant people, and 95% lies with left side quadrant of people. So we should should get involved into business. So what kind of business, what we can do? So we can be a traditional or franchisee shop. We can open a traditional shop or franchisee shop. There what we have to do, we have to take products and services from the manufacturer and sell it to customer. The way famous brands like Subway, KFC, McDonald's, Bata, Dr. Batra and Javed Habib are doing, they doesn't have their own products. They buy from the patented people and they serve. So they do work, they are not a businessman, they are as a self-employed people. What all the challenges comes to a business? We have to bring infrastructure, we have to get a capital investment, we have to gain experience in that field, we have to recruit manpower, we have to train them, we need to have a backup of fund, we need to do a marketing, we have to bear competition, we have to bear risk also, we have to manage accounting, we have to manage inventory, we have to manage logistics and movement of the foods, we have to check for auditing, we have to see for credit also, we have to bring innovative ideas to improve our business, and we have to look after all government approvals and renewals. These are not a simple task. So if we come to our 21st century business, so how does business work? This business work is based on service based business, where the customers are there and the service providers are there, and people are connecting like Swiggy, Uber and Amazon, Flipkart. The people do connecting, bring a network or chain of consumer and the service provider. In a traditional business, what happens? In traditional business, there is a manufacturer and a consumer, and manufacturer bring product at 40 rupees, almost 40% of cost of the product, that means 40 rupees of the product, and consumer have to bear 100 rupees of same product. Why? Because there are middlemen like retailers, stockist, wholesaler, and a big chunk of amount goes to advertising. So here also the customer face big issue. So we need to become and develop a prosumer power. In prosumer, what happens? A producer and consumer, they connect to each other, and they develop a system which produces prosumer services. Here producer provides product to the system and consumer take that product from the system. So this is called as prosumer. Here the big amount of money, that means of 60% of value, comes back to the customer in the form of discounts and money backs. So here we brings a smart consumer like prosumer system, where we have a supplier network, a business platform, and education system to teach how to become smart consumer or as a prosumers. So this company is Vestige Marketing India Private Limited, and this comes with education system called as Winning Team. We are grateful to introduce this two systems to you, which will support you to bring a global business in your life. So if we discuss about the management team of Vestige, Mr. Gautam Bali, he is a managing director who has been awarded the best CEO of direct selling company in 2012, and Kanwar B. Singh is a director in the system, and Deepak Sood is a director. If we consider Vestige, so Vestige is a member of Health Foods and Dietary Supplement Association. Vestige is also recognized by Good Manufacturing Practices and FSSAI certified. Vestige has been awarded with Certificate of Excellence in Producing Quality, Innovative and Management by Institute of Economic Studies. Vestige awarded as Most Admiring Brand and Leader, Asia. Vestige upgraded to ISO 9001:2015 certification. Vestige is also awarded with Best Nutraceutical Company in 2017, and Vestige products are halal certified. Vestige is a proud member of Indian Direct Selling Association like IDSA. So these many awards and recognitions are available with Vestige. If we consider the growth of Vestige company, it's a first Indian company in top 100 direct selling company in the world. It is on 30th rank. It is operational in 7 countries: Nepal, Bahrain, Dubai, Oman, Bangladesh, India, Thailand, such kind of countries. There are 60 plus branch offices plus 2500 plus outlets all over the India. There are approximately 1 crore distributors are already registered in our system. There are 79% annual growth rate annually. There is a history of 16 years of successive stories from 2004 to 2020. So if we consider its financial growth, it started in 2004 with 2 crores of turnover, and now it is at 2600 crore of turnover in this year. If we consider about the products are high quality, affordable, innovative, natural and highly effective. There is extensive range of products, international quality standards, as I said you in our last slide, like it is FSSAI approved, it is halal certified, it is FDA certified, and it is FICCI certified. It is all products are profit based products and true value of money. So these are all our products. Our products are in broad range. like air purifier, water purifier, health supplement, food and fitness, personal care, skin care and beauty, women hygiene, cleaning, health food, oral care, home care, Ayurveda and agri products. Our manufacturing plant, if we consider our manufacturing plant, it's almost 1 lakh square feet full dedicated manufacturing unit at Bedi, Himachal Pradesh, India. State of art equipped and streamlined processes that complies with the high global quality standards. We have in-house R&D lab for innovation of products and developments. We have a quality control department to maintain international level of quality products. So now, what all the benefit if you connect with our system? There is no registration fee and any other charges. If we compare DMart or Kirana store with Vestige, so your Kirana store or your DMart or any shopping centers, they give 5 to 8% of discount on MRP. Here you get 10 to 20% of discount on your MRP. There are no free products in normal Kirana shops. Here we have repurchase offer, that means 10% of worth product free on every purchase. There are no loyalty program. We have here 20% loyalty program. That means if you buy for 4 months continuously of worth of 3000 rupees, you get 2400 rupees product free of charges of your choice in a 5th month. There are no profit share with your Kirana store or DMart or shopping center. But with Vestige, you get 5 to 20% of profit share as per your level and points. Those are retails, but we here are manufacturers. There is no return or exchange policy. We have 30 days money back satisfactory guarantee policy. So let's consider our expense. Like for average people in India, average monthly income is 30,000 to 40,000. So in that, if we consider, almost 50% money goes in daily use like as expense. Almost 20% goes to health issues, that's also an expense, and almost 30% that is for saving, which will be used in your future planning. But friends, if you connect with our system, your expense can become your earning source. Yes friends, your expense in your current market, your expense are totally as expense, they are not coming back to you, but here you can bring those expenses in the form of income source. So consider, if you make 3000 of monthly expense, and if you do it for 4 months, it cost you almost 12,000 rupees. So you get back, if we consider as per the month, you get back 450 rupees as 15% average discount, 300 rupees as 10% free products, 150 rupees as cashback, that is of minimum, and 625 rupees 20% consistency offer, that is of 2500. So total comes around 1525 rupees for a monthly purchase. So total those amount into 4 months, it cost you almost 6100 rupees. So your purchase of 12,000 rupees for a 4 month and 6100 of in a 4 month, so it costs you 50% off on your products. So your if you consider your annual expense as 1 lakh, you save almost 50,000 rupees annually. Friends, saving equals earning. So friends, this is being as a consumer. So now if we start referring to these things to our friends and family, because discounts, who doesn't like discounts and money bags? So if we started sharing, so it's not a fixed value or it's not a chain system, that people you connect with the system that can be more than this or less than this. We are taking it as only an example. So if you refer 6 people and they start buying of 3,000 rupees, they will get almost 50% cashbacks and discounts, and out of their purchase you get 465 rupees. If your friends 6 people have bought, so if now if they start referring, and now total strength become 36. If they do same and they recommend to 6 people, the total strength become 36, and the same discount other people will get on their purchase, and you will get 4,500 rupees. And this steps goes on continuously. And if your team strength, if your total group strength become 1,296, so your earning becomes 4 lakh rupees, 4.5 lakh rupees per month, friends. It will not, I'm sure that this will not happen in 4 months, but if you consider if it happens in 2 to 3 years, so friends, which business, which job will give 4.5 lakh rupees just by referring and recommending? So friends, this our system is based on points, and your performance bonus depends upon the points. Like if your point is between 1 to 500, your discount and cashbacks are 5%. If your points are between 501 to 2000, your cashback will be 8%. And if continuously goes to 10,000 plus points, your cashback will be 20%. Means if you buy 10,000 of products, if you buy 1,000 of products, 1,000 rupees of products, then you will get it in 800 rupees plus differential amount from your group will come as a cash to your account. So that comes a big amount of money to your account as earning. So there are 2 other system company have given fast track offers also. To achieve 8%, if you do 282 points in a month, so you directly comes to a 8%. And same for 20%, if you do 7,501 points in a month, you and your team, then you directly come to a 20% discount level. So it's not the only limit, there are other levels also, like silver director, gold director, star director, diamond director, crown director, universal crown director, then double crown director, and double universal crown director, and then ambassador. So there are plenty of levels in this. So we discussed only one, that is performance bonus. There are other bonuses also on your same purchase, like director bonus, that is of 14% on company's profit, plus leadership bonus 15% on company's profit as per your qualification. There are travel fund 3%, car fund 5%, and house fund 3% on your same purchase as per your qualification level. So what you have to do, you have to just like, means you have to use the product, develop the faith, and recommend and share these things, because these things you are doing from childhood. For any movies you have watched, for any mobile and gadgets you have bought, and if you have gone to any good food shop, so same thing you have to do over here. So there are many peoples who have started and achieved plenty of luxurious life in their family. So SP Baril sir, our chief mentor, and his family are involved in this. You can see his luxurious life. So Mr. Anup Gupta, we have got this income details upon request from them. So you can see it's a 1 month payout, so it's almost 19 lakh per month. So Mr. Sagar Bamri ji, he got 13 lakh per month. Mr. Rama Solanki ji, he got 4,72,000. Mr. Vishal Pithadia ji, he got 3,51,000 per month. Mr. Latika and Pramod Padwal ji, 3,24,000. Ms. Meena and Vipul Rawal ji, 97,000. Ms. Geeta Varun ji, 96,000. Lalit Bhai Pagi ji, 93,000. Kiran Atul ji, Parul madam, Sheetal Patel ji, 54,000. So there are plenty of people. We have shown only few people to confirm you that we are earning, and just by sharing, and we are with energetic people, so you can be the next. So come to this global opportunity and bring your future. So thank you friends, thank you very much, and wish you wealth.